We're installing new Rivnuts.
Hi, I'm Joel. I'm the layup technician here at Ruckus Composites, and today I'm going to tell you about Rivnut repair. A Rivnut is a compression nut that you typically find on your bicycle, maybe on the down tube or the seat tube, and it holds on your water bottle cage. Rivnuts can fail for numerous reasons. 1, because of improper adhesion during installation. 2, because of corrosion, such as galvanic corrosion. 3rd, because sometimes the laminate is so thin where the Rivnut was installed that if you pull too hard on your water bottle cage, you'll crack or split the tube. Rivnut repairs are pretty easy, but that's because we do them every day. There's a lot of steps to installing a Rivnut properly. A few things to look out for are proper surface prep, making sure you increase the surface energy of the composite material, using the correct tools such as a laser alignment jig to make sure your Rivnuts are in the center of the tube and in a straight plane, and accurate torque during installation so that the Rivnut is adequately crimped and doesn't spin. If you're patient and follow these steps, it's a pretty easy process. For more information, check out our Carbon Queries podcast. Find it wherever you get your podcasts or in the info below.